What's up? My cousin is on a killing spree. Hey, show him how you look. Look at this guy. Cutting people in half. This is sick. If you want this without getting a cheat code, what do you need to beat to get a chainsaw?
Chainsaw, I think it's crowd control level 6.
It's crowd control level 6. What part of town?
Hotel and Marina.
Hotel and Marina. Huh. Look at this dude. Poor black lady. Hey, I'm black too. No racism.
Me too.
Just saying. He was probably gonna die eventually, knowing that he's homeless. Dang. Finally. Through a bulletproof vest. That's crazy. Watch him blow up this car.
I'm okay.
If you want that jumper suit or whatever it's called, just go to the
Mall.
yeah, the mall.
And it's costume store.
It's in the costume store. Is that where you get the masks from too?
Yeah, it's a whole outfit.
It's the whole outfit. Deuces.